Of late, I've been thinking about mega biodiversity of animals in particular. Recently, a few years back, the world has been divided into about 17 zones where you can say that there is a mega biodiversity. This term refers to the presence of large variety of indigenous animals. At least 5,000 of the indigenous animals will constitute a zone of mega biodiversity. India also occupies a place among biodiversity regions of the world. It occupies ninth place. Let me give you some examples. Australia, Indonesia, Philippines, China, America are the countries with mega biodiversity. If you look at the specific classes of animals that inhabit these regions, you will find that the South America is the continent of birds. In Colombia, you have 1,700 variety of birds, whereas in India, about 1,300 variety of birds are found. In terms of mammals, you find that Indonesia is the richest. In terms of reptiles, you may find maybe Australia or some other place, but India has the largest number of snakes. Majority of snakes are non-poisonous. In Australia, on the other hand, majority of snakes are poisonous. What I'm trying to tell you is this, that the mega diverse worlds do not mean that they have the equal number of species spread across. Some regions are richer in one type of fauna, others are richer in another type of fauna. This is the beauty of all those regions. China is also pretty rich in terms of biodiversity. I was thinking about the forces that deploy these animals to occupy different parts of the world. There must be some force, some design, some specific kind of ecosystem, some kind of environmental design, so that these animals could be fitted in different zones. They live, flourish, and enjoy life. God has given us an opportunity to occupy different habitats, different places. We can, as human beings, we can go and occupy different parts of the world. We live in different parts, but animals seem to be confined to a particular region. Some of them are no doubt cosmopolitan, but some of them are confined to a particular region. Therefore, they are called endemic. They belong to that region. They are not found anywhere else. For example, you won't find Royal Bengal tiger in Africa. You'll not find them in Australia. You'll not find them in South America. Similarly, you don't find marsupials in India. So they can be found in zoo, but not in wildlife conditions, not in forests, not in natural way. So the animals have been asked by some supreme power to occupy different parts of the world. And therefore, we must thank God that God has enabled us, given us the prowess, the ambulatory apparatus, and all the machines, so that we can fly around, move around to different parts of the world and live in those parts and adapt and flourish and exploit the environment.